D38 of Flamingo Beach Hotel in Lanzarote. So we come into the room via those doors there. Outside we've got a table and chairs and a wonderful sea view. Gorgeous. Over there in the distance is Fuerteventura, and just down below us is the supermarket. The room opens up into this huge living space with a TV and 2 sofas, huge mirror. Then we've got a breakfast area there and a kitchenette area with a microwave, kettle, toaster, coffee making facilities, fridge. Have we got anything in there? Oh, we've got water in there. That's great. Bottle of water, just what I could do with, and some storage areas. Then in here, kitchen utensils, pots and pans, even a colander, some ant stuff there, and dustpan and brush. And then we've got some glasses and bowls and plates there. But it's a lovely, lovely size, and it's just me staying here today. So I've got all this room to myself. Then we've got nice wardrobe there, wardrobe space and drawers. Extra pillow up there. The bathroom, nice bathroom area, plenty of towels, skylight, like that. Yeah. Nice shower. Looks nice anyway. Hope it is. Bath mat. Some pegs behind the door. Oh, that's handy. Baby step up. There. Oh gosh. They're not so soft closing. Oh, Winnie's gonna love me already. And then I'm guessing is the bedroom. Sorry, yes. What have we got here? Ooh. So quite minimalist lighting. There's no lights there, and then I've got 2, which I'm guessing is beach towels. 2 side lamps with plug sockets. A safe, some extra storage there. A hairdryer, a vanity table there, another mirror, and then, so, don't know whether I can get out there. No, seems locked. Oh, that's okay. So outside is a courtroom area there, which I can't get out to, but never mind. I can open the window if I wish, but in a little courtyard out there. So I'm really happy, not so happy that my gimbal's broke, but very happy to be here. It's a lovely area. I've already explored the area because I arrived and stayed in a different hotel last night. So it's a really nice area and I'm looking forward to exploring the hotel. So checkout's at 11 AM, but if you prepay, it was through the Tui app when we booked it. We prepaid £20. We had a late checkout. We just inquired what time that is, and it's 6 PM. So yeah, well worth paying the extra.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Just waiting in the airport for the flight back to Bristol from Lanzarote. It's been really nice 4 days, went really quickly. The weather was gorgeous, really enjoyed it. Hotel was lovely, room was lovely. Would highly recommend the hotel, Flamingo Beach. And thank you very much for watching, and catch up with you on the next adventure. Bye.